Why do you like me?
I like your eyes.
Okay.
And I like your body. You are my spec.
And respect.
Yes, of course.
You know,
as I have body, I don't like me that have body. So you're my perfect match.
Yes, I like you because of two things.
What and what?
Your money and your bumbo.
What?
Yes.
Why would you say that?
That is the truth.
I'm here telling you that I like your heart. I like your body. Naturally, you are telling me you like me because of my money and my bumbo.
Have you seen my heart before?
Babe, calm down. I never see your heart, but I don't see that.
You don't see
I don't see. Why they talk like you don't know later on so. I don't see Bola, but just because I like your body and I like your heart. But Bola, follow. You follow. You follow. You